So let's start drawing. First grid off and type limit command, set limit 00, 120 and 120, zoom enter, enter, then select a view. We should draw this drawing from right side view, to set right side, right. Take line command, click anywhere on the screen and 75 unit, move right side, click and 15 unit off and then close the line. Again line command, click here below 18 unit and then left side 15 unit, then close. Again line command, 42 unit off and 15 unit left and then close the line. Again we should take a line command, 15 unit right and 75 unit below and close. Trim the unnecessary portion of this line, trim here, join this line, select all, type J, enter, take line command, click here to create this portion. Please refer to the figure number 3. Press pull this portion for a distance of 12 unit and this portion at a height of 130 unit and this flange portion for a distance of 12 unit. Now drag it, go to shade of gray view, move this portion from here to the center, click here and copy this portion for the left side, click here. Now move this portion at a distance of 43 unit, enter, and this portion for a distance of 43 unit, enter. Now copy an edge command to create the circle. Copy this edge, click anywhere at a distance of 15 unit and this edge at a distance of 15 unit. Again copy an edge line command, click here, take off, again edge and copy an edge command, click this line off at a distance of 30 unit, enter. Again copy an edge command, copy this edge, select 3D solid at a distance of 15 unit, click enter. Again copy an edge command, copy this edge at a distance of 15 unit, okay, enter. Go to circle command of radius 8, type 8, enter. Again circle command, circle of radius 8 unit, again copy an edge command, copy this edge, select 3D surface, click here at a distance of 20 unit, this line is not created because of this point was not right place. This line was created backside of this drawing, so we should create it again. Copy an edge command, 3D solid at a distance of 30 unit below the line. Go to circle command, click here. Actually this line was created not in this plane, this is a different plane, so circle was not created. Now click here for a circle at a radius of 10 unit. Copy this circle. It is not selecting. Actually this line is not in this plane. So go to copy and edge command, again select this edge, click here at a distance of 20 unit, type 20, enter. Click this circle at a radius of 10 unit, click here, yes, this circle is created. Now these lines are no longer necessary, so we should erase this line. Select this line one by one, select this line, yes, erase it, enter. Select this line also, this line also, yes, all lines are selected. Enter, E for erase. Then press pull this circle to create a hole. Again press pull command, backside. This is a separate object, so we should erase this object. Here it is, some portion is remaining, so we should press pull it, press pull below the surface, this portion. So the object is created, then join this all the object. Move this object, yes, and this line should be deleted which was created for. Okay, now the drawing is ready. We should go to Southeast isometric view.